I used to hate doing the dishes when I was camping because it's a pain in the butt. We got the RinseKit PRO and it makes life so much easier because it actually has a nozzle to where you can have like higher powered spray coming out, which helps you just like spray all the avocado or whatever's stuck on there from cooking and eating. So I just get a little tub, fill it with a little bit of water. You can even heat the water on the stove. Use a rinse kit, fill up a pan, and then fill up your little tub with some hot water and some soap. And then you put all the dishes in there, and then you wash them, get them all super clean, and then you can use a sprayer from the rinse kit to spray them off. And it's made doing dishes so easy and so quick. The rinse kit is also really nice for brushing your teeth or washing your face, doing one of those quick armpit showers before you go to bed after you've been hiking all day.
You can take the water from the rinse kit, spray it into a big pot, boil the water, get it super hot, pour it back into the rinse kit, and then take a shower. You didn't think of that, did you?
No, I didn't.
Isn't that cool?
That is cool. So before we had the rinse kit, we would just buy one of those like jugs that has the dispenser on it, and then you open it and it's just a trickle of water and it takes forever to rinse your dishes, and then you end up going through your whole thing of water. With the rinse kit, it's portable, and it's a hard surface, so you can move it wherever you want. You can walk 10 feet away from your campsite and do your dishes over there, and then your campsite's still nice and dry.